Hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. Uh, so Barcelona will be facing Atletico Madrid this Tuesday, and it is happening in the Camp Nou. It is a very threatening match for Barcelona fans क्योंकि बहुत there is a feeling of dread almost कि we could face our first defeat on the Camp Nou क्योंकि it's not looking good defensively Barcelona के लिए. I know offense में we can always do better. I know offense में we can create more and more chances. But it's not looking good at all. And I'm gonna be really honest. I'm really scared for the team कि हमें फाड़ के ना निकल जाए एथलेटिको मैड्रिड क्योंकि they are looking good defensively. Offensively they're a bit meh, but you don't have to be really good offensively बार्सिलोना को टेस्ट करने के लिए और बार्सिलोना पे गोल्स मारने के लिए. So I think the individual qualities of Alvarez and all could be enough for us, and they also have that tank, that absolute elephant, Sorloth. आई डोंट व्हाट हैपेंस टू हिम. वो R9 बन जाता है, रोनाल्डो नोजारियो फिनोमिनो बन जाता है क्या बार्सिलोना के अगेंस्ट. वो प्राइम लुइस सुआरेस बन जाता है बार्सिलोना के अगेंस्ट. पर अगर लाइनअप्स की बात करेंगे, इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पॉसिबल लाइनअप्स, तो बार्सिलोना का सिंपल है. गार्सिया, जॉन गार्सिया, कुंडे, एरिक गार्सिया, कुबार्सी, बाल्डे बैकलाइन में, डियोंग, पेड्री, यमाल, ओल्मो एंड राफिनिया, एंड लेवेंडोव्स्की एज अ स्ट्राइकर. इसमें एक चेंज हो सकता है कि if he feels like कि Lewandowski is not doing enough, then we start, I don't know, Rashford as a striker and then have Yamal and Rafinha flank him. पर I wouldn't do that क्योंकि we haven't seen Lewandowski, Yamal and Rafinha start that often together, and this is a big game और इसमें मैं स्टार्ट करना चाहूंगा इन्हें along with De Jong and Pedri, which gives us like a lot of control in the midfield. वहीं अगर एथलेटिको मैड्रिड की बात करें तो एथलेटिको मैड्रिड विल बी हैविंग ओब्लैक, मोलिना, हिमेनेज, हांको, रुजेरी, कार्डोसो, सिमियोने, जुलियानो सिमियोने, पाब्लो बारियोस, कोके, एलेक्स बाइना, Julian Alvarez possibly in their starting lineup. पर you never know, वो सॉरलॉथ को स्टार्ट करा देगा और I don't know what happens to him. मैंने पहले ही बताया जैसा आपको कि वो प्राइम लेवेंडोव्स्की बन जाता है लेवेंडोव्स्की के अगेंस्ट कि क्या है उसे. पर हाँ, इट इज लुकिंग कंसर्निंग इन द सेंस कि हम लोगों को, क्योंकि एलवेस जैसी टीम ने 2 या 3 पासेस में खोला है लास्ट मैच में. 2 या 3 पास बस. अभी 2 या 3 पास में खुलने वाली टीम कैसे खुद को कॉन्फिडेंट फील करेगी कि वी आर डिफेंसिवली इनफ, दैट वी आर डिफेंसिवली कॉन्फिडेंट अमंग आवर प्लेयर्स. हम लोग वो हाई लाइन खेलते हैं, दैट ब्रोकन हाई लाइन. अभी प्रेस में वी डोंट नो कि राफिनिया कितना इन्फ्लुएंस कर पाएगा इस टीम को, विच सीम्स asleep most of the time. इस सिस्टम में तो आपको 100% इंटेंसिटी चाहिए. दैट इज वेल डॉक्यूमेंटेड. सब लोगों को पता है कि अगर हाई लाइन खेल रहे हो तो बॉल पे प्रेशर कंटिन्यूस होना चाहिए. पर they'll do what they do, and I don't know what happens. A lot of the people are making a prediction of like a draw of a 2-2 or a 3-all or a 1-all or something. पर मेरे को लगता है we can we'll take a victory. I want to take a victory in this because finally Real Madrid ने slip कर दिया top of the table पे and we are leading. और we don't want to mess that up. और वो भी एक ही game week में. We want to continue piling pressure on them. और I think the players will know how big of a deal this is. I think the players will know what they have to do. How intense they have to beat a team like Atletico Madrid. It's not only about intensity, of course. उन लोगों को physically भी strong होना पड़ेगा Atletico Madrid के against, because they have some physical animals in them, in their team. Uh, आप चाहे डेविड हांको की बात करो, चाहे आप रुजेरी या हिमेनेस की बात करो, जुलियाने सिमियोने looks very strong physically. Uh, Thank God they're missing the dog, Marcos Llorente, uh, because he's the real dog in this team. He's the real he's the real energy ball in this team. Uh, पर हाँ, I think better performance is expected from Barcelona. Better performance is expected from Lamine Yamal. Uh, I think way better performance is expected from Lewandowski. Danny Olmo did well last match, but we expect him to finish most of his chances, whichever he gets. We expect him to make those runs from deep, which he has been making. Uh, but this is what's interesting to me about this game, because they'll open us up in a few passes, Atletico Madrid. But how well हम लोग अपनी possession से defend कर पाते हैं. We have to defend with possession. We don't have to be under pressure all the times. जब हम लोग डियोंग और पेड्री को खिलाएंगे मिडफील्ड में, if we are playing them in midfield, then I expect a better ball retention based game, कि बॉल रख के एथलेटिको मैड्रिड को खिलाना. You make them run. They should play on your pace, like I said before. क्योंकि if we start playing on Atletico Madrid's pace, they'll just sit back and hit us on the counter. और 2-3 पास में आपको पता है ये टीम खुल जाती है. The high line is broken. We have to rely on Juan Garcia again and again to bail us out in this game. तो मैं तो कहूँगा we should score early goals. We should bury this game as soon as possible. We should, if we're looking to outscore a team, we should do that, right? Uh, and yeah, we'll see what happens. It's gonna be a tough game, but I think the players are ready for it. I'm a bit optimistic also. मेरी थोड़ी सी फटी इसलिए है कि ये देख के कि एथलेटिको मैड्रिड डिफेंसिवली थोड़ा सॉलिड है. और they know how to play those passes. They know how to play on a counter attack. और yeah, that'd be the only concern. I am just concerned about our defensive line, कि कुंडे उस हिसाब से लॉक्ड इन है कि नहीं, कि कुबारसी उस हिसाब से लॉक्ड इन है कि नहीं, कि बाल्डे डिफेंसिवली उतना लॉक्ड इन है कि नहीं. क्योंकि ऑफेंसिवली तो बाल्डे कैन डू वंडर्स. We also expect Balde to carry the ball into the final third and into their attacking half and all. पर उससे बड़ा ही इज गुड एट दैट, पर उससे बड़ा कंसर्न यही रहेगा कि ये डिफेंसिवली कैसा कर पाएगा. सो या, विल सी गाइस. I just want to say that I'm a bit optimistic and a bit concerned for my team as well. It's a mixed bag. We'll see how it goes. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And if you want content like this to continue. I will be also. I'm also thinking about posting something regarding to a game that I'm playing right now. It's a story-based game, so I'll be posting a well documented and scripted video about that. Please let me know if you would like that as well. I know the the family isn't all that big at the moment, but we move. We keep on creating, and we expect people to, watch it if the content gets better every time. And we are striving to get the content to be better. So, peace.